So this is actually like my third time recording this video. I'm so pissed. But I'm just gonna walk you down what I did. It was a cook up, but not anymore. So started off with the serum patch right here. And what gave it that weird texture is this Looperator preset. I am making a preset bank and it will be out by the end of December. I want it to be fat. I'm gonna take so much time on it. And I don't like to just throw out junk. So keep an eye out that. I thought it just pretty much made the whole thing. It made pretty much the rest of it be easy. Then another serum preset out of this. Kind of give it like that gallopy feeling. And then just had to add a counter. Real simple. Added a spaced out. Just to sit it far back in the mix as possible. Then I use this analog lab preset. Kind of has that flutter like that Ken Carson song, Overseas. Then I added this granular lab. I'm actually gonna save this preset. Are you sure you want to replace the file? And it's, no, I just want to save the preset, dude. I just made this preset. Add preset. New gate. Yeah, this matter this matter right here, goated right now. One of my favorite plugins. So definitely go check that out. Then I started with the drums, basic hi-hat. Just wanted to add that little touch, and I am going to throw a portal on there. This is one of my free, absolutely free, let me repeat that, Sonar multi-kit, and with this mild hi-hat preset. Then I added this clap. And I processed the hell out of it. Added fusion. This is like a multi-distortion plugin. And then I added this Berserker distortion as well. This is one of the best, most affordable saturation plugins. If you don't have this, it is goated. It is something that not a lot of people use. And it has an LFO too, so it's just so sick. Oh, and then I did add a synth bass for the bottom, for the first half. So then the intro goes like this. Then we go right into the hook. Let's get this 808 pattern down. I like that. Might not even be in key. I can't even hear it. Nope. That was close. like to change the color as it progresses. So we'll go like a dark blue.
When I had like a little stop. Hey, drag this out to like there. Alright, that's going to be the beats. You guys want to leave a like and a comment telling me who you guys want to see next? But until next video, catch you guys later. Peace.